Hey guys, welcome back to Diza AI Agent Builder. Once you've signed up, simply log into your dashboard. From there, you can deploy your AI agent into real-world scenarios and let it handle your customer inquiries automatically. Diza AI gives you multiple deployment options. You can connect it to WhatsApp, the most popular platform for customer communication, so visitors get instant responses 24/7. You just need your Facebook page access and a new number which is not linked into any WhatsApp. Using WordPress, even better. Diza AI comes with a ready-to-use WordPress plugin, so you can get your AI agent live in just a few minutes. Just download the plugin from here and just upload on your site and make it live. And if none of these options fit your needs, no worries. You can simply share your AI agent's public link and let anyone interact with it directly. Now, here's the best part. Diza AI is completely free to start. You can explore the platform, build your own AI agent, and experience it live without any upfront cost. You can set everything up yourself in just a few minutes, or if you prefer, our team is always here to help with a guided demo and complete setup. So, why wait? Start automating your business with India's smartest AI agent builder, Diza AI. Start free today.